So what knot are you using?
Running bowling.
Oh, okay. I taught a lot of knots in, I taught river rescue.
I love knots.
Oh, yeah.
It's like a lost art.
And if you don't use them, you can forget them.
You don't use it, you lose it, right?
Yeah.
So I may have to run another piece of rope too.
In these river rescues, in case there was a boat pinned and somebody was pinned under it or wherever.
I think we got about an hour of light, the most. So we're here, we got this emergency job. We're trying to beat the dark, but we got this tree hung up and this other tree it uprooted. So what I did is I threw a bowline up in there and I went up this tree and put a block up there, ran it down to this block, and we're gonna just pull it out with the truck, and then I'm gonna put a face cut in it. We're gonna fall it right up that way. Okay, clear. Yes. Keep pulling. Hey Jay, stand back a little further in case that rope snaps. Keep going. Stand back further, Jay. Keep going. Yeah, keep going. Keep going. So we're pulling it right out of there. Hopefully you can see it coming out. It's hung up pretty good. Okay, hold it, hold it, hold it. All right, that's good. Put the e-brake. Here, take the camera, and then I'm gonna put a cut in it, okay? Good job, Ed. Hey. We got it out. I'm gonna go put a cut in it real quick, and we're gonna get this thing on the ground. I started yelling because I didn't want to pull it all the way backwards into the lines, you know?
Oh, yeah. Yeah. Absolutely. That would be a problem.
Yeah. But we still got the lean we want. It's still in our favor. Everything's going good.
Oh, good.
So, Jay, I want you to record as I'm putting this cut in, okay?
Is it going right down the driveway?
Yep.
Oh, good.
All right.
Okay, do you need anything else?
I think I'm good. Once I put a cut in it, I'm gonna put a face cut and a back cut. The rope's holding it right now. I'll leave a heavy hinge on it, holding wood, and then we'll just get you to back on up until it falls on the ground.
Oh, okay.
Yep.
Okay.
Hopefully we got enough rope to do so. If not, what I'll have to do is tie another rope and put it on a porta wrap and all that. thing slowly lower down.
Okay.
Thank you. So I want you to stand back because if this rope breaks, it could really hurt you, okay?
Okay.
You want to give a shout out for your YouTube channel?
Yeah, our YouTube channel is j.n.l baseball.
You heard it. Go and subscribe. So we're gonna go ahead and lower this tree down. We kind of messed up going on that side of that tree, so we may run out of rope. But if that happens, what I'll do is I'll figure something out. Come back slowly.
Come back slowly.
We probably should have put a porta wrap on there as well. Yeah, that's what we should have did. Darn it. Stand back, Jay.
Okay.
You come over here. No. Come over here, because that tree could swing and get you. Jay, get over here. There it goes. I'm hoping it don't swing. Okay, it's in front of those trees. That's good. Staying on the stump good. Nice and slow, controlled fall. All right, tell them to hold that, Jay.
It is down. The tree is down. Oh, there it is. Now we're down.
It's already down, huh?
Yeah, okay, we got it.
Oh, it's cracking. It's cracking. Crack-a-lacking.